One of the most historic structures at the Roundhouse Railroad Museum complex is one that thousands of people pass every day and probably don't even notice. It's the old railroad bridge that crosses West Boundary Street right alongside Louisville Road. The bridge's four arches encompass a lot of Savannah history, dating back to the 1850s, with the surrounding earthwork going back all the way to the 1830s, to the earliest days of the Central of Georgia Railroad. A relic of the Ogeechee Canal, older even than the railroad, flows beneath the bridge's westernmost span.
It's impressive just to see the work of the master masons, as well as just how large of a project the earthworks was just to do the embankment.
Project manager Travis Brown of the Coastal Heritage Society's preservation team heads up a crew of experts who are studying modern-day damage to this old bridge, so in the near future, trains can haul visitors over it once again.
Basically taking off the soil, peeling it back so we get an idea of what the top of the bridge looks like. What's happened over the years is some of the large container trucks have been jumping the curb on the bottom when they're coming, majority of it is when they're coming from the west going north, but what they've done is they've created large gouges in the bridge, and it's kind of undermined the structural stability of the structure.
The work will take several months, but vehicle traffic will soon once again be moving through one of the arches on Boundary Street. A few hundred yards away, another team of CHS experts is working on another historic building that's actually close to 100 years newer than the railroad bridge.
It's a pretty complex process. There are several steps in order to do it safely.
Terry Kohler heads up this team, which is replacing heavy steel beams called lintels atop the large doors in the 1920s carpentry shop. Over more than 6 decades, the old lintels, composed of heavy railroad rails and steel sheets sandwiched together, rusted and actually lifted the surrounding bricks.
That was common construction practice for the railroad. They just used whatever material they had to save money. But the problem is they didn't treat the metal at all. And over the years it corroded, and when steel corrodes inside of a masonry wall, it expands and causes the masonry to crack dramatically.
The new lintels, fabricated by team member Justin Rouse, are dipped in molten zinc, which is corrosion resistant and could last for hundreds of years. For CitySpan, I'm Michael Jordan.